Welcome to our first Python tutorial video 3. Today, we'll explore understanding Python syntax basics, your first step in Python programming. In programming, syntax refers to the set of rules that define the structure of code in a particular language. In Python, understanding the syntax is crucial because if you don't follow the rules, your code won't run. Let's take a look at the basic syntax rules in Python that will form the foundation for writing Python programs. One of the unique features of Python is its use of indentation to define code blocks. Unlike many other programming languages that use curly braces, Python relies on consistent indentation to group statements. It's important to use the same number of spaces, usually 4 spaces, for each level of indentation, as inconsistent indentation will result in errors. In Python, variables are used to store data. For example, you can store numbers or text in variables. Python supports various data types such as integers, floats, decimal numbers, strings, text, lists, and booleans, true, false. Let's look at some examples of declaring variables and assigning values. A basic Python statement like print, hello world, outputs the text to the console. Python executes these statements one at a time, starting from the top and going down the lines of code. A simple statement like this can be the starting point for building more complex programs. In Python, comments are added using the number sign symbol. Comments are lines in your code that are ignored by the Python interpreter, but help explain what the code does. They are useful for making your code more readable, especially when working in teams or revisiting your code after a long time. As your programs grow, Python code is typically organized into functions and modules. Functions are defined using the def keyword and can help break down your code into smaller, reusable pieces. This is a good practice for keeping your code clean and organized. Python's simple and readable syntax makes it an excellent choice for beginners. By mastering the basic syntax rules like indentation, variables, and simple statements, you're building the foundation for more complex Python programs. In the next video, we'll dive deeper into control structures like loops and conditionals. For more videos, please visit channel and go to respective playlist. Please subscribe the channel